Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can connect the E99 Drone Pro to the remote control. Okay, first of all you need to make sure that you already insert the battery to the remote control, so I'm not gonna detail how to insert the battery. And after you already insert the battery, now just press this turn on button to your drone. Press and hold until you can see a light blinking to the eye of the drone, and then turn on your remote control with this on off button. And now it's connect to your drone, and to fly your drone, now you need to rotate your left and right controls button. Okay, and now you see your drone is now already connected to the remote. So I'm not gonna so we're not gonna fly it because of the space in the room. It's not enough to fly. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect the drone remote control to this E99 Drone Pro. And to fly the drone, we're gonna meet you in the another next video. And now, thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.